I've come across a few folks saying the following. When I ask them the question is, how is your company and its online presence, specifically in the social media? And I've been told many things like, I've got it. We have someone that posts every single day. We put pictures up, videos, we've got that. We actually know everything that's going on with Instagram and Facebook, and we're on top of it. So then I start asking more specific questions, as in, what type of return, ROI, return on investment, are those ads, those posts, are they bringing anything to the table? And the answers there start to change. And this is where I want to talk to you about today. Being able to have someone to manage your social media and be able to post pictures and post videos, that's great and all. But at the same time, is that really doing anything for your business? Is that making that strategy that you have in place actually grow? Or do you even have a strategy in place? That's what I want to talk to you about. Being able to have someone to just do these things is great, but it means absolutely nothing. What I would recommend is concentrate and tie yourself to a company that is able to provide these resources, that is able to understand your goals and your needs on a business or a brand level, and is able to put a plan in place that makes sense, that is an ongoing campaign from week 1 to week 30, whatever it may be. Every week there should be some type of strategy, some type of growth plan, some type of agenda and goals that should be accomplished and tried to be achieved from month 1 to month 2 to month 3. And they will vary. They won't necessarily be the same thing. And this is what I would challenge you with, is just that. Make sure that those posts that your person from your company is making make sense. If not, let us work with them. We want to make your company better. And if that means us working with your team, we would love to do that. That's what we're here for. We want to help your company grow. Imagine what your company can achieve.